So for beta, okay, you guys can actually see it's really crazy right here. Why? Because okay, solution newly. So for solution, okay, it's exactly following the gloves right now. Exactly following the gloves. When the gloves pumps up, it also follows the pumps up today. So what I'm looking at is further continuation. Okay, for example, like the strongest is actually Supermax and Harta. I'll take Supermax and Harta, right, for preference. I think Harta is more stronger. Okay, so Harta right now is actually at the resistance area, and he tried to push above 1.96, and then some sellers are coming out because it's at resistance already. So it's normal for things to retrace or sellers to come out first. I really think the syndicate want to force it up above here because I think they collected a long time already. They wanted to force up. If it can force up and stand above around EMA 60, it will be good. And then, yeah, and stand above 20 cents. So for further upsides, the first you need to break through is EMA 60, which coincides with 1 RM 2.00. So if we can break above, then we might can see around 2.5 to 2.6. If you can break up above here, and then we can see 2.5 to 2.6. But it's a little far-fetched, but if he consolidates here and then breaks above here, breaks above the consolidation area, then we can see even higher. If it breaks here, consolidation area, and then goes up, we can see even higher, around 4 ringgit. But it's too far-fetched. I'm not going there right now. My currently is breaking above 2 ringgit first, and then target is around 2.5. So for solution, it's also the same. But the point is here is a huge and a thick trapping zone. You need to break out from this area for further upsides. So you can see that every time it hits here, it will go back down. So around 23 to 24 cents, up to 27 cents is actually a strong resistance area. You can see it from the here. Where's the market depths? Okay, so the first resistance has actually broken is 21, which I mentioned in the watch list, but I did not catch it because my platform has some problem. Never mind. Sometimes it's like that. It's fake. I can't catch it. So the next one should be 22.5 cents. Here. It's actually nobody's actually wanted to buy up yet. But at the end, he did something. You can see right here. He touched 5,000, making the buyer to look strong. I'm not sure if he's going to withdraw it later, but it's a sign that he wanted to distribute his share or wanted to push up higher. So you can look at solution, but if it's gone too high already, just don't chase because in this bear market, everything is unpredictable. It can go up high, it can slam down fast. So this is the 225 is the first, and then the next one should be around 235 to 245 right here, the previous few days back resistance. So for ANCOMLB, the pattern like this is it's like he's forcing up. It's like he want to force up. So here is like a testing phase and then consolidate, and then the second testing phase to clear out all of the seller first. So I think it's not over yet. Maybe it will go like this again here and then push up again, or he will immediately push up. I don't know, but I will still keep an eye on ANCOMLB. 13 cents is a miss. I did not enter because, like I said, morning I don't have the platform to do so. So right now, I might wait for slight retracement first before going in. It's best if it could retest around 13 cents, and then somebody is supporting at 13 cents so that I could get in 13 cents. So this pattern is actually like a double bottom that he wanted to wash people out first. You can see this is a bottom. Many people set your stop loss at here, and then he purposely washed down first and then push up all the way again. So right here, he might face a little bit of selling pressure first before he can push up again. So I hope that he can retest around here and then before pushing up again. It's the best scenario. So for beta, okay, you guys can actually see it's really crazy right here. Why? Because of this. You can see that how much volume he done since opening. You can see 3K, 1K, 7K, 2K, 4K, 2K at a certain price only, especially for IPO stocks. You can easily push up to 70 cents with lesser than around 50K lots right here. After he pushed up so quickly, and then he only started to distribute, slowly distributing at 71 cents. Only started to have some volume to come in. They wanted to sell slowly from 71 cents, because below the 71 cents, you can see that all is lesser than 10K lots. So after 71 cents, they only started to distribute a little by little, all the way to around 1 ringgit. So 1 ringgit, they did not do any volume. He just hit and then slammed down. So what they did here is they just attract maybe retailers or traders to come in here. So here is almost just attracting people and trap people, and then he's just slammed all the way down, because it's at high already. So usually at this area, at above 90 cents area, it's like a place to attract people to come in, and then those who don't want to cut loss will just get stuck there. So look at this chart. Okay, so it's normal if you guys can't catch it, because if you guys wanted to catch it, you must set a quick stop loss and have a good emotion for this, because like if you set 5 bits of stop loss or 3 bits of stop loss, if it drops too fast, you can't catch it. I mean, you can't stop loss. It will affect you for the trading, for the next trading. Yeah. So this stock, actually how you can engage it is only when you see the momentum comes. For example, like right here, around 62 cents, you see that, okay, momentum comes, then you just follow, and then you just set your stop loss, maybe 3 bits, maximum 3 bits. And if it slams below, you just throw. You don't think, you just throw. If it goes up, and then started, because you can see the momentum, right? If you guys have monitored, the momentum is straight away eat up all the way until it reaches a resistance. Then it started to throw down 2 to 3 bits. So there will be your TP. Yeah. So for the next, every entry is like that for these IPO stocks, because for this beta IPO, because it's hard to catch a pullback, because for a pullback, you might get caught like this, because you don't know whether it's a pullback or not, or slam down. So that you can engage. So the only way you can engage in this stock is when after he pulled back, and then he started to eat back up, started to climb back up, so that you enter at around here. After he defended at 65 cents, for example, and then suddenly he eats up to around 66 cents or 67 cents. You can enter right here when the momentum comes. So just stop loss, maybe just put a 3 bits of stop loss, 3 bits of stop loss maximum. So just let it run. If it breaches your stop loss, just show immediately, just don't think, and then wait for another momentum to come to entry. Because yeah, it's really hard to trade this kind of IPO stocks when it's too volatile. You can't read the market depths properly. That's why I don't chase. Yeah. So actually miss this whole wave up, and then actually starting from here, it's actually really risky already, because it's not like this one. You can straight away he can straight away pump up like this, a straight line pump. So right here, it's like it's the end already. You can see that it's slowly churning up. It's almost the end already, the end of the whole uptrending thing. And then if it breaks down this downtrend line and then not breaks above this RM1, you can see that it goes all the way down. So for this one, like I said, don't catch a pullback buy, because for IPO stocks, for this beta, you don't know how to catch a pullback buy. Even I don't know how to catch a pullback buy. From my opinion, it might still, it will have a rebound, but I'm not sure how strong is the rebound. Maybe at 70 cents right here previously. is supported at right here. Maybe right after it dropped, later in the afternoon, maybe after he dropped to 70 cents, he will rebound a little bit. If you see that, for example, okay, right now, for example, where's the stronger support? Maybe at 60 cents or 70 cents. Let's say it drops down all the way to 60 cents around here. Let's say it drops to 60 cents. Okay, it goes down to 60 cents. And then right here, you saw somebody is supporting. When somebody is selling, somebody is supporting. Somebody sells down further at 60 cents, 60.5 cents. Somebody sells at 0.6 or 0.605. So right here, how do you need to, there's some possible entry if you see somebody is supporting it and then somebody tries to eat back up. Somebody tries to buy, somebody trying to support, maybe 0.605 and 0.61, meaning that after the sell down, the selling volume has slowly decreased because somebody's keep on supporting it. And then you see someone started trying to eat back up at 605. After 605 it finished, then they tried to buy 61 cents again. So that's when you can entry, because it might turn into a buying momentum already. So maybe you can entry at 61 cents. So this is a case study only. Just don't this is a case study for you guys to know what the situation might be. It's not a buy sell call. It's not that I'm calling you guys to buy at 60 cents. I'm trying to give you guys a scenario for you guys to understand how we can enter at a stronger support, follow the momentum. When it turns to buying momentum, you can follow it. But just remember to set a stop loss 2-3 bits maximum. Don't let your stop loss grow. If he just straight away throw down below 60 cents, quickly after you entered, he immediately throws down to 60 cents or even lower, just don't think you also follow him to throw, because you don't want to get caught. For example, like here, if you entered at right here and then he immediately throw down, so you must have your 3 bits of stop loss right here and just throw at buyer price. Just throw at here. Don't queue already. In this kind of momentum stock, don't queue and wait people to eat you. It's not possible. Just throw at here, buyer side, just throw. Because you don't know how the stock will go. For example, like if you queue at right here, right at the seller side to wait people that eat you, and then at 95 cents, now you will get 70 cents. So just don't wait. When this kind of sell down happens, when they just withdraw, you can see that the sell down volume is really, really low. Why it's really low? Because they just withdraw the buyer. You can see that 5,000. They can just withdraw the 5,000 and then left 985. So the volume will be low. They don't want to defend it, and the volume will be low, and then they will easily slam down with low volume. So if you enter this kind of stock and he hits down and he sells down, just throw at buyer side. Don't Q sell. Just throw at buyer side. For you to not get further downsides. You need to protect your downsides. You need to manage your losses. So 3 bits is maximum. If it throws suddenly very quickly down to 3 bits, 4 bits, then you don't wait, you just follow them to throw at the 3 bits, 4 bits, or even 5 bits. Because if you don't throw at 3 bits, 4 bits, or 5 bits, if it throws that quickly, and then right now you will get around 20 bits of losses already. So, and that's why I don't chase, because I know it's going to an end already. The momentum is slowing down, and then RM1 mark, it's going. Actually, I don't know how high it will go, but I expect if it goes to 1 ringgit, it will always slam down, because RM1 is like a physical resistance to everybody. I'm not sure why, but it is. Hi guys, it's Zach here. If you like my videos and want more contents like this, click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and trade well.